Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then welcome to our family. My name is Shati and I'm a makeup content creator. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create this look. Yes, this is a very bright kind of a eye look which is exactly perfect for summertime. If you love this kind of look, if you are a bright eye makeup lover, if you are a glowy makeup lover, then yes, this is the correct tutorial for you. And without any further delay, let's jump into the tutorial. For eye primer, I'm gonna be using this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Porcelain. And now I'm going to blend it out with my Real Technique Beauty Blender. And now I'm going to set this with my Kryolan Tear4 powder, and I'm just going to press that powder all over my lid with the help of a brush. And this brush is by Morphe. For today's eye look, I'm gonna be using this Spotlight eyeshadow palette by YouCanly. First of all, I'm just gonna take this shade. Some on my inner corner also. Then I'm switching to a fluffy brush and I'm just taking this beautiful light mauve or peachy kind of a shade. I'm so bad in explaining the shades. And the weather is good today. It's raining in Kolkata and the weather is cold. So it's very good for me to film a video. Actually, I don't have AC right now in my studio. I have to switch off my fan when I film. Otherwise, the mic will catch all the sounds. That will sound horrible. And I do sweat a lot. So today is kind of a soothing things happening with me. So today I'm just going to do a soft hollow eye look. And the same thing goes for this eye also. I'm just pressing that color. And on my inner corner. Now I'm just slowly mix these two lines. Now again switching to the fluffy brush and that light mauve or peachy kind of a shade, and going to blend all the shades. When it comes to makeup, blending is the key. Whatever it is, like foundation blending or the eyeshadow blending. Blending is the main thing which you need to know very well. Okay, now I'm gonna take this beautiful pinkish shimmery eyeshadow. Just look at this shade. It is so beautiful. I love to use shimmery shades with my fingertip. And doing the same thing for this eye also. And just look at this. Just look at this shimmer. This is so beautiful. That's why I love YouCanly eyeshadow palettes. And now again I'm going to take that brush and just going to blend all these things. Now I'm gonna do a winged liner, and I'm gonna be using this Faces Canara All-Time Pro Matte All-Time Pro Matte Play Eyeliner in black. I always forget the full name of this liner. I'm just going to start from here. I'm going to do the same thing for this eye also. I generally do not like to talk when I do my winged. So my winged are done, and now I'm gonna tighten up my lower waterline, and I'm gonna be using this Plum Nature Studio Kajal, and I'm just gonna be adding this till here, till the middle part of my lower waterline. Again, I'm going to take this shade and I'm going to add that on my lower lash line. And now I'm going to use this Makeup Revolution Shimmer Brick Radiant Highlighter to highlight my inner corner. With the same highlighter, I'm highlighting my brow bone also. So my eye makeup is done. Now I'm going to quickly complete my face makeup and put some falsies, and I'll be right back. So here is the final look completed. As you can see, this is a very bright kind of a eye look, perfect for summertime. And I love this kind of winged liner, actually goes with my eyes. I have very much hooded eyes, so I love this kind of eyeliner on my eyelids. You guys, please do let me know what you think about this look. Is it good? Is it bad? Is it worse? It is very good. Whatever it is, please let me know. And please do subscribe my channel if you didn't do it yet. Then please do it and hit the bell icon so you will be updated whenever I upload any of my videos. And here I'm sharing some of my previous works. You may like to watch these also. That's all for today. Hope to see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.